In this video, I will show you how to add Coursera certificate and LinkedIn profile. So to get started, go ahead and open LinkedIn on your mobile device. Now make sure you're signed in into your account. Click on the top left corner of your screen presented by your user icon and then click on your username. Now in here, go ahead and click on this add section button beside the open to button. In here, go ahead and click on that recommended drop down, and under that you'll be able to find the option to add license and certification. So click on that, and then in here you just need to enter the name, issuing organization, issue date, expiration date, credential ID, credential URL, and add the skills that you've learned for this specific license or certification. And then go ahead and click on that save button at the bottom middle of your screen to add your Coursera certificate on your LinkedIn profile successfully.